Hello, my people. This is FXB. Today, as usual, this is our weekly analysis. We can do this every week. As you go through my videos, you're gonna see every week we do analysis. So for now, we don't start with episode one. We don't get episode two. So today, this is not the episode three. Yeah, of a weekly analysis. So, forex right now, so much shit to go on, so much stress, so much traders they go through a lot. Well, this now a moment we be say, so many traders they quit forex because if you don't know what you do in the market, trust me, you go blow so much money along the line. That is why you always forget a mentor where they tell you when for trade and when not for trade. Also, as a trader, always learn for follow your trading plan. So today, we'll start with the DXY, the dollar index. The dollar index last week we don't break the structure, we don't retest. This small candle, it take 1 week, the no move, the dollar index no move. So automatically all the all the USD pair they no move, they range one side. As we dey go, una go see say all the USD pair dem they no move. We will get a range moment. As this no green move, sometimes the market no dey move so fast. So it depend as a trader, wetin the market dey tell you, listen to the market. If the market no dey trend, follow the market. And this, if we be getting engulfing, first level target dey be na here at 103,880. If we cross this black bar, the next level target to be at 107.041. But we're not able to get a massive move on the DXY. However, we last week we stay patient, we not take no trade, follow the trading plan. So today, this is the dollar index. The dollar index will not do nothing last week. So maybe you would expect say this week coming, we'll get a trending market. Yeah. So this is the dollar index. We're not able to get any move. If you go to me last week video will be there, still there. So the market will be very slow. The whole of last week is very slow. So for that reason, we not take no trade. So next week we'd expect a trend in markets by God's grace. So today we first pair for analyze because we don't talk about the dollar index. We need an engulfing for make we continue to move. So now the first pair we will look at next week na USD card. USD card, since done this one for buy, automatically the USD card they sell. So it's supposed for day because the USD na the base and the card na the quote. So you see, so now if this one for buy, so the USD card they sell. So first pair USD CAD USD card. So now we will see what the USD card they do. So USD card when it kind of the weekly time frame, you see, for any time we cross this resistance, we break them with the sell. For the first time we done now, we can break and now we get a head of shoulder pattern, we fall massively. We don't candy for the second time in this zone, so they expect a massive fall. So this is not the weekly. We close up beyond this line, beyond this support. So automatically the next level target could be 1.39197 and the next level target for next week. So if you can add the daily, they see say we don't form a head of shoulder pattern, break of structure. Also the daily close beyond this support. As you see, we close. So the next level target 1.3929263 and the next level target, but based on confirmation. So if you can at the 4 hour, because the 4 hour, what you have to understand as a trader, the weekly and the daily, they tell you the overall perspective of the market, how the market to go, how it look like. That's the weekly and the daily day for the 4 hour, the 2 hour, and the 1 hour. A tradable, you will place a trade. What you make another place trade now 1 hour, most time the 1 hour gets so much fake outs along the line. The 4 hours more reliable for trade, because I won't forget when I enter trade, I won't forget peace of mind. I don't need to worry about what's in the market to do next. So this is not the 4 hour. The 4 hour will get a clear head and shoulder pattern as you see. As you see, this na left, head, and right to the this break of structure as you see. And so the next step would already test. So next week, the next level target next week, I don't show an additional. Now right down now, so we'll get a massive space for trade. We'll get over 200 pips for catch next week on the USD card. So stay connected. Yeah. So now we don't start. We don't get a clear ahead of the pattern. We don't break the structure, and also we wait now for a complete retest. We don't start for retest, and we wait for one candle more for church this side, and we'll get a rejection after that. We follow with trading plan. After that, we get a confirmation. You know, they just enter. It might be say, we retest properly, we'll get rejection. They will continue for go back because of wait for confirmation. We'll continue for give it this. I make as a trader, always follow your trading plan. Wait for confirmation. That it will save you so much money along the line. Enough for be an impatient trader. Always follow your trading plan, no matter how you urgent for make money. This game, people are with patience and they make money. Not about urgency. It's not about urgency. It's about patience. So this game now people are with patient. So now this will wait. So we don't get, but we need the proper retest and rejection. Then we get a confirmation. So if you want to know me confirmation, hit me up. Yeah, just for a small fee, you will know me confirmation and me entry and me exit point. So this you get for learner you get for learner to mentor some of the minor things there for avoid for cost you so much money along the line. So this now all about USD card for this week. Next will be Euro USD. As I tell you now, Euro USD since the dollar index no move, now I give you this consolidation. Now I give you this consolidation. I don't see. We'll be then a range, a very range will be say a not tradable. So you don't see. Yeah, so much people along the line. This minute you're in profits, next minute you're in loss. This minute you're in profit, next minute you're in loss. So this don't form now. Yeah. So as a good trader, you get for know you said the market's head for, because at this point, if you watch at the long time frame, you're confused. You're a little bit confused. You know which side the market's head for. But if you can at the weekly, they tell you say we still there above the side. Possibility they follow shoot up, possibility they follow we should come down. But we close with a bearish pin bar. You can at the daily, almost the same thing. We're there above this line, but we close with a bearish. So now, if you can at the 4 hour, then they go tell you say next step what you go do, because this na head and shoulder pattern, and the law when you begin get a head and shoulder pattern, the double top pattern, this na left, this na head, and this na right. So when you begin get a double top pattern, I think na a reversal pattern. This na a reversal pattern, yeah. So what would they expect na a break? Na yeah, now they expect. But however, you dey place a line na yeah between as a support and resistance between and yeah. So if you get between and yeah. So now when you place then line there, now you wait, you patiently wait between them two sides. If the market can a bounce next week, a retest, you dey buy. So in 2 ways, 50-50. And also if the market come a break, a retest, you dey sell. So now Euro USD 50-50 the direction, yeah. As long as in continue for day between the layer and supporting resistance, for anything bounce we sell, for anything bounce down we buy, for anything bounce up we sell. So you don't see so you don't for as long as we continue for day inside Naya, we'll not the trade until we move out of Naya. So that's you get for understand. And make it trading is a lot of patience. You know they be impatient and be profitable, not possible. If you stand a chance for making money in this game, you get for patience. You get for you get for get a trading plan. You get for follow your trading plan, and it will make you successful in trading. So come to think about it. Yeah, if you they work 9 to 5 job, it will take you whole month before they pay you $100 or $200 in Israeli currency, because $200 Naya is 4,800,000, right? So now you get for work for that money for a whole of 1 month. Now in trading, not to every day they get trade, but in the month, maybe if you target it, say you get a 4 trade or 3 trade. Out of that 4 trades, if you make $200 minimum, you make $200 out of that 4 trade. That now $1,200, right? So that $1,200 is over 20 something million, 24 million to 30 million. It take God in grace follow you in an office and they pay you that kind of money. That's the truth in Sierra Leone and not other countries. But you as a Sierra Leone trader, what you get for Dinga? But this they give you comfort, it they give you financial freedom. Yeah, it just need for patience. You don't need more. You just need less and quality trades. One trade don't make you okay. One trade they give $200. He's over 4 million some hundred. That money, if you dey work for them, trust me, you get for take a whole month. Sometimes they don't they pay you that kind of extra money. So now that you get for understand. You're gonna treat trading as a business. And that you get for understand as a trader. You dey treat them as a business, not so casual. No. You dey treat them as a business. So you get to be patient, you get to be disciplined, you get to be consistent on the chart. Yeah. So enough of the explanation. We go. So Euro USD. Now 50-50 now if you can lower time frame. This na double top pattern with the weight is either will move up or will move down. But I dey highly predict say we move calm down because we don't get a double top pattern and a reversal pattern. We move calm down, break and retest, then we sell. So look for this next week. If you dey watch me video, as you don't watch me video, just map a chart and wait for next week. Wait till the market they do. Next go be Euro JPY. Euro JPY, so much shit they go on at the market, all the USDP are there, easy right now. You see, if you can at the higher time frame, they see so much liquidity along the line, massive liquidity, and this then go down. Boku traders then go through a lot, especially the day trader and the scrappers. They don't go through a lot. This minutes you dey in profit, next minute you dey in loss. So this is a massive liquidity. So we close with a pin bar, a bullish pin bar. So if you can at the daily, the CCA will get a bearish, we'll get a massive bearish candle. We will close it, we'll close above. So now, if you can at the 4 hour, what would they look for? This we don't put from last week now, we don't get a proper retest. Now the rejection will do it for, then we continue buy. Very simple. With the buy, your first level target could be 185.722 buy to this point. If we still cross this bar, the next level target could be 186.386. One thing we get for understand back as a trader, the markets move by step. You know they expect if you reach now because of a minor resistance, markets they slow down. It respects them from there. But now if you close above, so you could not say, okay, this are for close all the entries. If you give you rejection, like I start for rejection, so close above, you close all entries. But if you close above, say no more will come up to this level. So the markets, so trading day, the markets they work as by step. So you get for know that, you get for understand that as a trader. So Euro JPY, we wait for a proper rejection and we'll get a confirmation, then we'll buy. So this next week, I think we'll get a good week. If you deal with your computer, just map your chart. Next week, we'll get for make. This is at the starting of the month. You find low begin maker. Next could be AUD JPY. AUD JPY, all the USDP are the way they know trend. It affects the forex markets because one thing you get for understanding the USDP are they all the markets. The moment they begin trend, all the pairs they follow. This war with it between Trump and Iran, they cost so much on the forex markets because this minute you did profit, next minute you didn't loss. This year, any trader will profitable this year, now a very good trader. Mean to say so much people they go undergo a mess. You not mean to say sabi trade based on the market. Maybe you can put your stop loss correctly, then they just liquidate you based on Trump the tweet in 1 hour, maybe 2 days you don't tweet say now the market move. Any react the market they move. They get negative reaction to the market for any tweet. So I don't mean to say if you go through hell now, just be patient, Me, I don't get more than 5 years experience on the market, 5 to 6 years now experience on the market. I can able to tell you everything what the market they do. I know when for stay off. I know when for coming in the market. I know say I know they take loss. Get me right. I they take a loss, but it's not common. I always write 9 out of 10. So now that you get to understand as a trader when for trade, know when for stay away from the market. Yeah. A whole of last week I stay away from the market because I know say the DXY know the trend, so no point. All the USDP then they become slow. So we'll go back to the chart. AUD JPY, if you can at the higher time frame, the weekly time frame, I think this will get a retest. This nice support break retest. So if you can at the daily, it's sham clear one. This na a massive head and shoulder pattern on the higher time frame. Break of structure, retest will come back. Then we come above, create another double top pattern. We don't close beyond this line. So we expect for sell. So if you can at the 4 hour, very simple. We don't get a head and shoulder pattern, break of structure, retest. So we'll wait for confirmation next week. So yeah, patiently wait for confirmation now next week before we sell. First level targets could be 11.243. Now first level target we want for close some entries, take partial profit. So I think next week will be a good week because as the CDP are there, how them to line. We expect much from the market next week. So next could be NZD JPY. NZD JPY, as you see, if you can at the weekly, NZD JPY, I think we don't deny a range for a very long time. As you see now, yeah? Don't deny a massive range for a very long time now. So you don't see? Don't see? This now a range, yeah? This now a range. Now we don't there for over from we start for kind of Monday 2nd February 2026 to today July 2026. So don't see February to July. So 2 months now within this range, 2 to 3 months within this range. But however, we can still manage for trade. Although one thing we get to understand back as a trader, we see kind of the higher time frame, you see a PR the range. You get to be careful with this trader PR. You know, for take a long buy or a long sell, a short sell, short buy. Now you take until you move out of the major zone there. Now you take a massive sell or buy. That's so trading day because the market they work by step. You get to certain zone with the market they respect. So if you can at the daily, they see say this now is support, this now is resistance. So as you can in the market, so you run break out of resistance, we don't retest them. So what would you expect next week? Would you expect buy? They expect buy next week. So you see, we don't get 1, 2, 3 candle we reject. We close with a pin bullish bar. So the next level target for next week now just a confirmation we want. They will continue for sell, for buy. Sorry. So that's it for NZD JPY. Next could be NZD USD. It's been a long time. NZD USD. I not take trade from Who be in as you see? You see? Yeah. This now Tuesday, this February. I take trade. Also this now March. I take trade this year. I take trade, now be successful trade. And also the last one I take on NZD, USD, now 15 April 2026. This is one of my favorite pair this year. I don't take so much trade, they will give me massive good move. So now I think you want to give you back another good move. So we break out of Naya, we'll be expecting we'll get a retest, but we'll not get confirmation. That is why you have to follow your trading plan. We avoid unnecessary losses Naya because we retest, but we'll not get confirmation. You see, we'll not get a proper retest, we'll not get a rejection, then we'll not get confirmation. That's why we not enter the trade. So we avoid a loss on NZD USD. So the next target now, since you don't break this structure, this resistance, the next step we look at now, we don't look at for sell anymore because when we dey above, we buy. When we dey down, we sell. So we don't dey above this resistance. So now buy we dey think about. So when you can at the 4 hour, if you can at the 4 hour time frame, it is here say clear. You don't get clear break, you don't retest, you don't start for reject. So the next target Yeah, now for level get a proper retest and get a confirmation like this, continue for buy. Very simple. First level target now, yeah, 0.58437. Watch out for this next week. Yeah, next week gonna be a good week. I think NZD USD one of my favorite pair then this year. So I think you want for give you a good move back this next week. So watch out for this. Think NZD USD want for give you a good move. That's it. So now next week will be a good week for we as a traders. Stay tuned for this. If you watch my video, always please subscribe, share to other people. I know say so much people in different difficult for trade forex. You know, and they get so many people on Facebook who they ask me say they want for trade. Just that now the time I not get for help them out, but YouTube family, anybody say you want for trade, just hit me up. Just leave a comment at the respond to you in the comment section. Some people they watch my video, they know they comment, they know they subscribe. I get unique viewers, we know they comment and they subscribe, they just they watch. Please do me a favor, subscribe by subscribing. Also share my video, also comment. Please, if you watch my video, always comment and share to others we want for learn. Please just share to different platforms. I will appreciate it so much if you do that. So that please help me, because now this will make me I get more zeal for the make so much for the make videos then for una. If you want to share my video, not the comments, not to watch them, you know. So NZD USD, I think that this will wait for next week. So next will be gold. Gold from last week, so much rain, so much people they lost money. See, gold we don't start for move decently. We retest, we not get confirmation for enter. It is see now, yeah. Like this at the tell you now. If you want for be a good trader, always wait for confirmation. Gold from last week, I be there, we break, we retest, we get rejection, but we not get confirmation. Now, if you want to know me entry points and me exit points, I tell you always just hit me up in the comment section. Not shame. Hit me up in the comment section. Avoid for lost so much money along the line. That money where you give me, that small money where you give me, maybe if you know like 200, 300, but just say, okay, bra, mentor me, it's very easy. Then they go save you so much money, so much losses at the market, so much frustration. Where you go make you for sleep being a problem, no able for sleep. Yeah. So now gold we no able get confirmation. Yeah. So we know enter the trade, so we get a massive liquidation. So they liquidate so much traders. Yeah, massive loss. So also you begin go back, come back or retest. Still we no able forget the confirmation and make we not enter. So for now, gold in a critical situation, to be honest. If you cannot the higher time frame, it give you if you cannot the higher time frame, we don't draw a trend line here. Yeah. For now, gold is either a break this trend line or a break this support for interested. So if you can at the daily, yeah, if you can at the daily, you see I'm clearly, it's either a break now or a break now. For now, as long as gold they are not interested. So this you get for land as a trader. Please, now this you get for land. Know when for trade, know when for stay out. So if you want for know when for stay at the market, you want to know when for stay out at the market, hit me up. I will tell you exactly. Very simple thing, I just minor thing, but you need for learn. So gold until you move out of this trend line or you move out of this support. But if you note that gold for now with the left arm within a range, you say this in an inconsistency within a range, you say this in an indecision area. We can't tell this minute we are up, next minute we are down until we move out of here or move out of here. So next go be the last one for today go be BTC USD. BTC USD last week, if you know they watch me videos last week, will be there I be all this trade. I hit 1:2. I see will get so much rejection so I be get for close all entries, but I don't hit me target 1:2. So I close all entries. So come back to entry. We first come to entry. After I don't close, we come to entry and not enter again. Come back. I be there out of chat and not enter again because I be supposed to enter. I don't get confirmation for enter back and come on but I'm not be able to enter again. I don't take all profits. I be don't hit me target for the week. It's okay. So this. So the next target for BTC USD, next target, if you can at the daily, you go share and clear. If you can at the daily, if you get a break now, or retest, the next level target will be 66,443. But as long as we continue for there, for now, I'm not interested on BTC. I stay out. Yeah. For now, I'm not interested on BTC until we break this black bar or we come back to entry, then we'll take them back for buy. So these are the last one for today. If you don't watch me up to this level, I want to say so many thanks to you and I wish you well. I wish you say your trading go be improved this year. Please note that not to forget for the land. Go to watch my video, then pick up some certain things. It's okay, key things and go help you so much for trade. And also, as I can always repeat, please don't forget, follow your trading plan and also be consistent on the chart. Not give up. Trading will change your life. If you be consistent on Forex will change your life. So, and that's I left una this week. I wish you all the best. I wish you get a successful week next week, or I wish you get a trending market. Thank you all.